Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about Python bitwise operators. Okay, most interesting video because bitwise operator mostly we are using inside the system. Okay, the processor generally processed all your data in a binary form. So how could you on your expression added bitwise operator, it will be generally operate on binaries. Okay, it is the very helpful operator. Here all the operators are mostly work on the binary form. Okay, whatever your data you enter to the system, it first converted to the binary form. The binary data will be further applied these operators, then it will shows you result on the binary form, and that binary form will be later on converted to the numerical form that is understood by the user. Okay, the binary form also understood, but that's the label of very less percentage, that is a 0.01% and 0.0001%. Why? Because the data in binary form, it is very difficult to understand. If you take as a small and simple data input, when it is going to be converted, you can easily calculate and understand. Okay, that's why. So first of all, we discuss about all the operators, and later on after this video I will making another video on bitwise assignment operator. If you remember that my previous video, I already told you when I am giving you on the assignment operator, there is a, I will leave some video, some important points and information, that is called a bitwise assignment operator. Means how bitwise assignment operator work, because I am not told you actually how bitwise operator work. That's why I am leave that particular portion, and now I am going to tell after this video how bitwise operator work and bitwise assignment operators are going to be work. Fine. So let's begin. First of all, we have to know how bitwise operator is going to work. Then here is first operator is bitwise AND. Okay, this is not a simple AND, this is a bitwise AND, and that bitwise AND generally here is going to be cover binary AND operation. Previously the AND, logical AND, that is going to be operate on the basis of numerical operation. Numerical data will be taken on the logical AND, logical OR and NOT. But in this case, logic binary, bitwise binary, bitwise AND operator mostly work on the binary form of data. Okay, so how it is going to be done, let's see through example. Okay, we go for the directly example or directly write the code, then you understand better how this is going to be work. Fine. So first of all, I am going to write here one code, that is x equal to, that is 2. Okay, when I am going to print okay, suppose here I have to give in another data y equal to 2 also. So both data in binary form, what is the return of binary form of both data, that is 10 has 10. If you go for the nibble form, that is 0010 and here 0010, this is the nibble form, means 4 bits are called a nibble. Then it comes out the byte, 8 bits 1 byte. So here in the nibble form, that is 0010 when it is going to be operate on the bitwise AND operator, that is here x and y, and it returns you see, that is a 2. How? Because all the zeros are written the 0, because logical AND says that if both are true then true, if anyone is going to be false then false. So here is what is going to be written here, 1 is the true, everything is going to be false. So that's why it returns you, that's a 2. If you change it to the 3, suppose I am going to change it 3, so here what is the result, 1 1. So here what is the result? That is also true. That is a 2, it going to be written here. That is 2 is going to be written here. Okay, understood how it is bitwise and operation is going on. Let's see another example. X equal to 4, y equal to 6. Okay, so if you go for hash 4, 4 means 0 1 0 0, this is a 4, and hash 6 0 1 1 0. Okay, so this is the 6. So now when you are going to print x bitwise and y, what is going to be written here? See here 0 0 0 0 1 0, then 1 1 1, so 1 0 0, because on the followed by two zeros, 1 followed by two zeros, then it is going to be written that is 4. Okay, not 3, that is 4. So when you run it, it returns you 4. That's very simple. Okay, so I take this example further, okay, on the upcoming bitwise or and xor. So but I stop this video here because I am not going to make a lengthy video this video. That's why I will split the entire big video to the small video. That's why I am going to given you all other operator examples in upcoming videos. So if you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future video, you will get the notifications. Fine, thank you.